St. Joseph's College for Women Autonomous, Vishakhapatnam, Department of English welcomes you to the online course on Professional Communication in Practice. In the previous module, you have seen corporate and entrepreneurial communication, and in this module, we are going to look at legal and courtroom communication. Facilitated by Dr. Tonya Grace, Assistant Professor, Department of English. In this session, we will look at the topic legal terminology and common phrases in the legal field. By the end of this topic, learners will be able to understand basic legal terminology used in courts and legal documents, familiarize themselves with common legal phrases and expressions, improve legal communication skills, develop accuracy and clarity in legal writing and speaking, communicate effectively in legal and professional settings, and finally develops confidence in legal vocabulary. What is the meaning of legal terminology? Legal terminology is nothing but specialized vocabulary used in the legal profession, and it includes words, phrases, and expressions used in law. It helps in clear and precise legal communication, and it is generally used in courts, legal documents, and contracts. Why is legal terminology important? It is important because it ensures accurate communication, it helps in understanding legal documents, it avoids misinterpretation of law, and it is essential for legal professionals and students. It helps in maintaining professionalism in legal communication. Now let's look at some of the common legal terms that are frequently used. Number one, plaintiff. Plaintiff is a person who files a case. Number two, defendant. Defendant is a person against whom the case is filed. Evidence. Evidence is the proof presented in court. Verdict. Verdict is the final decision of the court. And appeal. Appeal is the request for higher court review. Legal terminology in courtroom. Let's see some of the phrases used by lawyers, judges, and witnesses. Lawyers use formal legal language. For example, the defendant breached the contract. And judges give orders using specific terms, like for example, objection overruled. And witnesses provide statements as evidence. For example, I saw the defendant at the scene. In the previous slide, we have seen legal terminology used in courtroom, and now in this slide, we will look at legal terminology used in documents. Number one, contracts and agreements. Legally binding documents outlining terms between parties. Petitions and affidavits. These are formal written requests and sworn statements. Legal notices are official notifications about legal matters, and reports and case files are the detailed records related to legal cases. How to improve legal vocabulary? Here are some tips to learn legal terminology. Read legal newspapers and articles. Legally binding documents outlining terms between parties, and practice using legal terms in sentences. Formal written requests and sworn statements. Refer to legal dictionaries and official notifications about legal matters. Observe courtroom proceedings. Engage in discussions and case studies. In conclusion, I would like to say that legal terminology is essential for legal communication as it ensures clarity, accuracy, and professionalism, and it helps in understanding legal phrases and improves confidence of the lawyers and other professionals. And it is important for students, lawyers, and professionals. Thank you for joining. Thank you once again. We will meet in the next session where we will be looking at writing legal documents, contracts, and reports. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.